So we are back with Professor Kofi.
Okay, let's continue. So I want to do a basic math problem, from high school.
So we are back with Professor Kofi.
Okay, let's continue. So I want to do a basic math problem, from high school. Simplify x to the second power times x to the fifth power. If it's a multiple choice question, probably you will see you will put like x to the seventh power, or they will put x to the fifth power, or 2x to the seventh power, and so on. Okay, have a question like this, how to work it out? You have to understand when they say x to the second power. X to the second power means you have an x and you multiply by each side 2 times. X to the second power. So the 2 as a power is telling you that they multiply x by itself 2 times. So I have an x times x. With the same logic, x to the fifth power means you have an x and you multiply by itself 5 times. Again, the power 5 means you multiply x by itself 5 times. So x times x times x times x times x. Now, x times x, which is x squared, means every time you multiply x by itself a fixed number of times, the power will be that number. I repeat, suppose you multiply x by itself 100 times, the exponent will be 100 for that x. And we do this only when you have that same base. And x here represent the base, 2 or 5 represent the power.
Okay. So say if you have x times 10 in 10 places, so it's going to be x base power 10.
Yes, you have x to the 10th power.
Okay.
Means you have x times itself
In 10.
10 times. So the answer here is to count how many x we have, because it's 7. So the answer will be x to the 7th power. But as a general rule, every time you have expression with that same base multiplied together, you just add the power. In other words, having x there is something important. Something important which I have to mention. Suppose they ask you x, the second power, plus x, the fifth power. The answer is the 7x, the second power, plus x, the fifth power.
So why is this one different?
Exactly. Because in this case, it's addition.
Okay.
And as addition, you cannot combine the powers. So this x squared, we can call it banana, x fifth, apple.
Okay.
So if you add the banana to apple,
It's not.
yeah,
It's
gonna be banana and
yeah.
apple. So you can say, oh, you're gonna be two are gonna be banana or you're gonna be apple. No, because they are not.
But what if we
like
have
terms.
same base and same power? Can we add them?
That's a good question. You have an x squared plus x squared. This will give you 2x squared.
Okay.
So I have an x squared. It's like one banana.
Okay.
I have another x squared. It's like, again, I add another banana. And in total, I have 2 bananas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 bananas.
That's good.
Okay.
That's good.